What's up, you guys? It's your boy T-Rex50. Today I am going to be doing a vlog again because I haven't made a video in like 109 days. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna go outside and hang out with you. Oh, hello, Hank. So I am outside now. Hello, hey, Millie. And I'm wearing boots because my shoes are broken. So many leaves are on the ground. It's November and the snow is gone finally. Touch grass moment. So, I am here I'm in the front yard, I guess, near the garden. By the garden, actually. I'm walking across the tree. I'm not gonna climb it anymore because I climbed it so many times in my vlogs. I thought maybe in this vlog, maybe I'll do farm tour. Yeah, let's do that. Let's try to go. So this is the road. Down over there, that's the road. Oh my goodness, it's so hot out. Not so hot, but very bright out. I think you can tell that it's not hot because of the wind. Hey, Mitty. Hey, Red. So, these are my dogs. These are my dogs. That's Red over there, and that's Millie. Right there. Hey, Mitty. Hey, Mitty. Oh, sorry, Mitty. I didn't mean to kick you with my knee. Red. Okay, Millie wants it. Hang on. Let me go inside for a second. Oh, Red, Hank. Hey, Hank. I don't think you can see him. Whoa! Whoa, it's very windy. There's moldy apples all over the ground. This is the house. Obviously, I showed you it early, I think. This is a basketball hoop with no net. This is the truck. This is the trailer. A trailer. This is the garage. More of the garage. That's a watchtower right there. A very small one. Small. Okay, why am I speaking British all of a sudden? I tripped on air because I'm stupid and I'm walking on hay bales because I live on a farm. If you didn't know. Telephone pole, I think. And I'm walking on 2 old telephone poles. satellite dish. I'm gonna climb on top of it. I'm going to climb on it. See? I thought I stepped over my bed. It's windy. These are old bunny cages for bunnies that we sold. We only have one bunny, and his name is Claude. He's very cute. This is my chicken coop. And I feed the chickens. Look at them out here. All happy. They have their food, they have their water. I mean, I guess they ate all their food. Yeah, here I am in the coop. Hey, April. This chicken's name is April. Right here. Hey, April. Ah! She doesn't want me to pick her up. The sky is very blue, as you can see. My bike that I just left out here, this part is kind of broken. Not like broken, but something's off about it. These are my goats, Tank, Fergus, and Odin. Oh, Odin, say not to scare. Hey, Odin. This is the goat. This is the goat pen. Okay, I better make this quick because I don't want my storage to run out. Hey, you guys. Look at all these goats. This is Amber. There are also some names for. There's some other names for these goats, but I forget their names sometimes. And this is the barn where the goats go in, right there. This is the fence so that they don't get out. And this is the woods. Not like the woods, but a bunch of trees. I should run through here more often. These right here are boxes for shooting targets, and these right here are balanced canola drop. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what this is. Wheat canola drops? I don't know. You tell me. Because I'm stupid. It's very flat over here. Okay. I guess that's gonna be it for this video. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Stay on the T-Rex side and roar on.